Dear clients and colleagues, we hope this newsletter finds you well. In this edition, we bring you important updates on various immigration matters. Please take a moment to review the following key highlights. We are informing our clients that USCIS has announced the fulfillment of congressionally mandated cap for the H-1B visa program for the fiscal year 2024. This includes regular cap of 65,000 visas and the advanced degree exemption known as master's cap of 20,000 visas. USCIS will issue non-selection notifications to registrants' online accounts in the coming days. Employers and beneficiaries who have not been selected should consider alternative visa options. For January 2024, USCIS has instructed that all applicants for adjustment of status in family-sponsored and employment-based preference categories refer to the dates for filing chart in the Department of State Visa Bulletin. This impacts both family-sponsored and employment-based adjustment applications and should be carefully reviewed for eligibility requirements. On December 12, 2023, USCIS issued updated policy guidance regarding Form I-751, Petition to Remove Conditions on Residence. This update is crucial for individuals seeking waiver based on battery or extreme cruelty, as well as for those whose conditional permanent residence status is terminated for failing to timely file Form I-751. The Department of Homeland Security has extended the Temporary Protected Status, or TPS, re-registration periods for nationals of El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, Nepal, Nicaragua, and Sudan. The extension is now for the full 18-month designation extension period of each country. This notice, published on December 14, 2023, provides additional time for eligible nationals to maintain their status. Employers wishing to sponsor a foreign national for an employment-based permanent residency or green card must demonstrate to USCIS that they have the financial capacity to pay the offered salary to the foreign worker. To prove the ability to pay in an employment-based immigration petition, such as the I-140, the sponsoring employer needs to provide sufficient documentation to USCIS. Here are the most common types of evidence used to demonstrate the ability to pay. Number 1, annual reports, financial statements or profit-loss statements, federal tax returns, audited financial statements, payroll records, net current assets, letter from a financial officer, employment contracts or pay stubs. A disclaimer to all of our listeners: this newsletter is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Always consult an attorney for personalized advice.